Commercial concrete pumping. New Milford CT supports projects that need speed, accuracy, and reliable concrete placement service from start to finish. Concrete pumping contractors use a concrete pump truck, boom pump service, and pump hose service to move ready-mix concrete pumping materials exactly where they are needed on job sites across New Milford, Connecticut. From transit mix delivery to precision concrete placement, this concrete pumping company helps streamline pours for contractors, builders, and property owners in Litchfield County concrete pumping and the Danbury area concrete pumping market. Residential concrete pumping. New Milford CT is ideal for homes that need driveway concrete pumping, patio concrete pumping, basement concrete pumping, footing concrete pumping, slab concrete pumping, and foundation concrete pumping. Narrow access pumping makes it easier to place concrete in tight backyards, side yards, and compact lots without damaging landscaping or slowing the pour. Concrete pumping services. New Milford, Connecticut help homeowners handle small load concrete pumping, same-day concrete pumping. New Milford CT, and affordable concrete pumping. New Milford CT with efficient concrete line pumping and exact placement. Foundation concrete pumping. New Milford CT is a smart choice for new builds, additions, and structural upgrades throughout New Milford Court. A local concrete pumping company. New Milford CT can deliver concrete pump rental. New Milford CT and concrete pump hire. New Milford, Connecticut solutions for footings, walls, slabs, and basement systems. Concrete placement contractors. New Milford CT often rely on ready-mix concrete pumping. New Milford CT to reduce labor, improve consistency, and keep the pour moving on schedule with dependable concrete pour service. Concrete boom pump. New Milford CT service is especially valuable for large pours, elevated placements, and hard-to-reach locations. High-rise concrete pumping, curb and gutter pumping, and commercial concrete pumping. New Milford CT projects benefit from a concrete pump truck that can reach over obstacles and place material with precision. For job sites in New Milford, Connecticut, boom pump service helps complete efficient pours for retail builds, multifamily properties, warehouses, and municipal work with less mess and less downtime. Driveway concrete pumping. New Milford CT and sidewalk concrete pumping. New Milford, Connecticut are common solutions for property improvements that require clean, controlled placement. Concrete pumping. New Milford CT makes it easier to complete long runs, detailed edges, and formed sections without excessive wheelbarrowing or wasted labor. Whether the project needs a concrete placement service for a residential walkway, a curb and gutter system, or a new apron, concrete line pumping. New Milford CT keeps the operation organized and productive. Pool deck concrete pumping. New Milford CT and patio concrete pumping. New Milford CT require careful handling to protect finishes, control flow, and avoid overworking the material. Concrete pumping services. New Milford, Connecticut provide the flexibility needed for decorative concrete, outdoor living areas, and custom residential builds in New Milford, Connecticut. With narrow access concrete pumping. New Milford CT and pump hose service, crews can place concrete in backyards, around pools, and near existing structures with better control and a cleaner result. Slab concrete pumping. New Milford, Connecticut supports garage floors, basement floors, shed pads, additions, and commercial slabs with dependable placement and fewer delays. Ready-mix concrete pumping. New Milford CT helps reduce segregation and maintain consistent delivery during fast-paced pours. Concrete pumping contractors serving New Milford CT understand how to coordinate transit mix delivery, concrete pump truck positioning, and hose handling to improve productivity on both small and large construction sites throughout Litchfield County. Affordable concrete pumping. New Milford CT gives builders and homeowners a cost-effective way to manage concrete pumping, concrete line pumping, and boom pump service without sacrificing quality. Same-day concrete pumping. New Milford CT can be a valuable option when schedules change or weather windows are tight. A trusted local concrete pumping company. New Milford CT can support residential concrete pumping. New Milford CT, commercial concrete pumping. New Milford CT, and specialized concrete pump hire. New Milford, Connecticut requests with responsive service. Basement concrete pumping in New Milford CT is a practical choice for renovation work, foundation upgrades, and new construction in areas with limited access. Concrete Pumping New Milford, Connecticut helps move material into lower levels efficiently while minimizing labor and site disruption. Foundation Concrete Pumping New Milford, Connecticut and Footing Concrete Pumping New Milford CT are often completed more smoothly with a concrete pump truck, especially when the job requires long hose runs, controlled discharge, and accurate concrete placement service. Concrete Pumping New Milford CT is the preferred method for projects that need speed, reach, and exact placement from a dependable crew. From residential concrete pumping New Milford CT to commercial concrete pumping New Milford CT, the right concrete pumping services New Milford Connecticut team can handle driveway concrete pumping New Milford Connecticut, patio concrete pumping New Milford CT, sidewalk concrete pumping New Milford Connecticut, pool deck concrete pumping New Milford CT, and slab concrete pumping New Milford Connecticut with confidence. For concrete pumping services in New Milford, Connecticut, concrete placement contractors New Milford CT can count on flexible solutions for any pour.